What is up, everybody? It is Saturday morning. FedEx just dropped off the first mod for the M4. Super excited. It's like supposed to be 94 degrees today here in Colorado, so it's gonna be a hot one working on the car, but we are almost to 10,000 subscribers, which is crazy. So if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed, stop right now, subscribe. You guys probably want to see what we're installing today, so let's open them up. So here we have the first mod on the M4 are some Ikon full LED headlights. When I bought this M4, I loved everything about it besides these xenon pre-LCI headlights. I mean, just look at the amber bulb in there, and they're not my favorite. I don't know why BMW allowed these to be installed from factory on an M car. So this is one mod that I always wanted to do on my old M4, but I never got around to doing it. Before we jump into it, my garage is a mess. Now that I've got a fun car to film and work on, can't be having shovels, cornhole toss, and all my tools laying around in one big mess. So we got to transfer everything over to the shed, but man, it is beautiful outside. I'm so happy it's summer. I've got the volleyball net set up, ready for some backyard parties. But let's clean out this garage so we can get started. The garage is a little bit more presentable now, so we can get started. So I'm gonna jack it up, put it on some jack stands, remove the bumper, and we will get started. The wheels are off, the fender liners are off. So now we've got easy access to start removing the bumper. After that, we should have complete access to the headlights. So the process should be pretty simple from here. And I'm pretty sure these guys are gonna need to be coated, so they should still work once we install them and plug them in. But I might have some codes on my dash that need to be coated out. We'll get that all situated. Just get a quick side-by-side comparison. This is gonna make the M4 look timeless because these headlights are definitely outdated. The bumper is off. I hate those headlight washers. I completely forgot about that. It just leaked washer fluid all over my garage, so I gotta clean that up real quick. But the most time-consuming part is done. We've got the bumper off. Should probably find a safer spot to set this. That's good enough. All right, let's clean up this mess. Your fancy headlight washers, BMW, just created a mini pond of washer fluid in my garage. These leaves have been bugging me. Definitely need to take advantage while the bumper is off and clean them out. There's even a cigarette butt that I noticed. So we got to make the front end look a little more pretty. Okay, so we've got the driver's side headlight out. Came out pretty smoothly. Just those clips were pretty stuck on there, but it is out. So we're gonna put the first side on and get it plugged in. Right here. Wonder if I should plug it in first or bolt it on first. I feel like it might be easier to bolt it on first, so we're gonna try that. Driver's side is installed. I do want to turn it on real quick, just so we can see what the side-by-side difference looks like. Oh yeah, look at that, way cleaner. Obviously, in real life, it's not flickering the way it is on video, but come on, guys. This is my first mod, and it's my favorite mod so far. I'm so happy with how it looks. Once we get the bumper put back on, it's really gonna just show off how good these headlights look. I'm so stoked on these. This fresh lens. Look at those guys. Way too fresh. So I just got the second side installed, and I was flickering the high beams because on this sticker,
It says to make it white, flash 4 times, yellow, flash 5 times, amber, flash 6 times. I flashed it 4 times and I've got the yellow, which looks so awesome. So now that they're installed, took a couple adjustments with all the brackets to make the fender line gap up correctly. Look what I found, guys. My old M4 logo when I changed it from the black to from the chrome to the black. And I also found the DCT shifter trim piece when I switched it to carbon fiber. So some cool little things from the old M4. Okay, so it's been almost an hour trying to get the bumper back on. So when I slid it on, there were these gaps that obviously don't look the greatest. So I took the bumper off, put it back on. Everything looked like it lined up, still had the gap. So it ended up being the headlights needed to be adjusted. So I took all the brackets on the headlight and slid it forward, positioned it, tightened the bolts, and now it sits perfect and flush. So I just got to do the same thing on the passenger side and then finish buttoning up the car and we will be all good to go. A much needed lunch break. Almost done, guys. Almost done.
Many hours later.
So I took the car out of the garage and there were some fitment issues. The headlights are pointing down and the bumper to hood gap is not sitting right. And then I got all these codes and the headlights stopped working. So we are back on the jack stands. I'm gonna take it all apart, readjust the headlights, focus on the bumper fitment, and then I need to get in contact with the website I purchased the lights from and try to get them coded in, because right now they're half of the halos work and it's doing some weird stuff right now. So anyways, it's like 10 o'clock at night, so definitely a 2-day video. Finally, we got the headlights done. They look insane. I'm so excited. The last step is we do need to get them coated, but come take a look at them. Completely changes the front end of the car. Not only the front end, but the entire car looks better now. Just makes it look timeless. But my issue was I was having problems with bumper to hood gap and the gap between the headlight and the hood. Things were just sitting a little funky. So I stayed up late last night, got up early this morning, and we got it all put back together exactly how it should look. Now we just got to do the taillights so it's a full LCI look all around. Trying to catch the sunset, get some good shots of the new headlights. There's this new warehouse that I found, but man, driving this thing is a freaking blast. Are you kidding me? Look how aggressive that is. I just found this film spot right next to my house. It's got a great view of the mountains and we're catching the sunset. Holy smokes, guys. I can't believe this is my car. I'm so happy right now. What do you guys think about the new Ikons? I love that eyebrow. Let's change it to yellow real quick. looks so cool. With the sunset. Ah, man, camera just doesn't do it justice. Wow. I love that you can change the color of them. Check those out up close. So sweet. If you guys have an M4 or an M3 and you haven't done this modification, you gotta upgrade your headlights. What a game changer. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the first modification on the new M4. I've got so many plans, so many ideas with this car. Feel free to comment if you guys have anything that you want to see personally, but again, we're almost to 10,000 subscribers. So please, if you could subscribe, help me get there before this year ends. That would be so incredible. But peace out. I'll see you guys in the next video.